fields of Bellawood, the gritty beaches of the Pacific, the snow-capped mountains of Korea, the sultry jungles of Vietnam, the parched desert sands of Kuwait, Iraq, and Afghanistan, and every other time and place where Marines have sacrificed for country and corps. The first called upon, the first to arrive, and the first to fight. The Marine Corps, the nation's force in readiness, has answered the call to numerous hotspots around the globe, showing the world once again that the United States Marine Corps is America's premier 911 force. This island is so rich in history, so rich in tradition, that no Marine trained here ever forgets the sights and sounds of it. Marching onto the parade ground is